Okay, let's try something. This time, I'm going to use an E6013 3/32 size arc welding rod, DC current, DC electrode positive, going downhill in the vertical position with this particular size of welding rod. And that's an E6013, just like an E6013 1/16 of an inch. Same kind of rod, only the E6013 3/32 size, which is this rod, is bigger than the E6013 1/16 of an inch size. So let's see what it happens. Let's see what it looks like. Wait a minute. Now you've seen that. Now, well, here's what it looks like vertical down. It's not bad. I mean, it's fairly nice, but I still wouldn't be so quick to trust that, you know, on a go-kart frame or riding lawnmower frame, or even a bicycle frame, maybe a chair, maybe a table. It's got to penetrate. So that's going downhill, vertical down. E6013 3/32 size arc welding rod, 70 amps, 69 amps, DC electrode positive.